Yo, hello everyone. Welcome to a new live stream. Hello. So we're gonna see what do we have today in our daily live stream for the stock market. So welcome Shafi. Hello. And Paul, nice to see you. Hi KG, thanks a lot for your daily live stream. You're very welcome. And could you please look at INOD? Yes, sure, we can do INOD. And yeah, Shafi, also thank you very much. Always reminding with, of course, the likes and the share. Nice to see you, Arcane, as well. ETCG as well. You're very welcome, ETCG. So let's start directly with our with our analysis. We're gonna see what Nasdaq is doing today. So we're gonna start at a 10 minute 30 with Nasdaq. So basically for Nasdaq, we are still looking here at a potential double 1-2. We have 3, 4, and a 5 still unfolding, of course, towards the upside here. In this case, wave 5 is unfolding as a triple 1-2s as well. We're looking here for a potential 3 waves up, where we see, of course, a larger 1-2. And we mentioned this yesterday. Once we broke this, it is a signal definitely, of course, for wave 3 unfolding toward the 1.618, taken from the 1 to the 2 to the wave 3, 25K as expected before to be hit definitely. And of course, internally, inside this wave 3, we see, of course, a double 1-2, wave 3, 4, and a wave 5 still unfolding for higher. Now, it can be for 5 finished already there, but I still believe that we still need at least the uncommon target 1.27. Therefore, it is very likely to see higher prices still on the 15-minute chart. We have double 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yes, so I believe that we still here 3, 4, and a 5. 4 and a 5 still can be hit. Yeah, so internally still looking for higher as well on the micro level. In this case, of course, once we finish this whole move toward the upside in double 1, 2, because of course it will not stop there. We're still looking for higher. We're looking for a wave 3 in the brackets orange, and we're looking for a wave 4 and a 5 still to reach around the 26K, I believe, for NASDAQ. Great. So basically, we're still looking for higher. Nothing yet clear for anything downtrend, and we see, of course, further higher prices here. And I cannot call this definitely something corrective right now. It's still, of course, looking for higher. If we hit the blue box, definitely we confirm this is a wave 3. We have to expect, of course, a sideways wave 4 since you have a wave 2 as a zigzag. I'm expecting a little bit sideways wave 4 and then moving for higher prices. Great. That's it for Nasdaq. For SPX as well, we're very close for the 1.27, which is uncommon target for wave 3. And I'm still looking here at double 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. This wave 5, of course, is not done yet. You have multiple 1-2s here. You have another big 1-2, another larger one, and then, of course, unfolding something very massive. Internally, for this wave 3, we are looking at 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. The wave 5 might be an ending diagonal, which is still can hit the uncommon target. Or it can be even 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for much more extended wave 5 to finish wave 3, 1.618. On the lower time frame, again, the same as for NASDAQ, double 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. The wave 5 here is finishing ending diagonal, but you have double 1, 2, meaning 4 and a 5. Still very, very likely. Higher possibility is for higher prices again. Yep, so these are the possibilities for SPX. I'm looking also to finish this wave 1 as an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finished wave 1, looking for wave 2, and then continuation simply for higher prices later on. Yep, so the stock markets are still looking good, guys. Are still looking good. No signal for weakness, right? We're still looking for higher. So we're gonna see also the gold, what it did today. So for the gold, we start at 15 a minute here. Okay. For the gold, we are looking here, of course, at our huge impulse, a very parabolic impulse 1, 2, 3, and this wave 3 is not done yet, I believe. We're still in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. I think because you have here potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again, extension, I would say, for this possible wave 5 to be finished. It is already extended that because of course it is longer than wave 3, and I'm expecting even a little bit longer, not just like that. One more extension can be very likely. So we're looking here at a potential even 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 1, 2, and then we see of course higher prices today. Now the correction here is very clear. Yeah, it is very clear correction. Everything is overlapping, and I'm still of course looking potentially for higher. Now if this is gonna be a longer correction somehow, can be of course, to know much better, um, as of course if we are moving for higher here, you would like to hit of course the wave 3, right? Targets as wave 3 here. Here we go. We have hit already the 1.27 at least. Now, of course, a wave C can be extended as well, even onto 1.618, but probability goes much higher, of course, for a wave 3. If we see further higher prices, I would say, yeah, that is very likely possibility, of course, to continue towards the upside here at 3,890 and potentially wave 4 and a 5 continuation for high. Now, the problem is here that you have also a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it looks like a little bit okay, short, and it might not look really strong. But don't forget that you might get also wave 4 and an extended wave 5 probability, and your wave 1, 2 is over there. Yeah, so we're gonna see, and it maybe even no, this is a low. It's not a 1, 2. You start from there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Probably the wave 5 might unfold a little bit higher. We'll see. We'll see. But preferably, of course, for the gold to hit the 1.618 to be much more, you know, probability gets higher, of course, for wave 3 when you hit the 1.618 plus. Don't forget that you are here in the perfect fib levels for a wave 2. Okay, so this blue box here, or this testing area, I would say, is a wave 2 here, potentially, in case you are in 1, 2, or wave B. Yeah, so in case you are in 1, 2, maybe can be diagonal, but very, very doubtful. Okay, very doubtful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I doubt it a little bit, but still can be ABC as an expanding flat, and that's why you might see also an impulse. So the reaction will give us an answer here. Okay, if we move lower and the key level, if you take this price, invalidation of bullish, very simple. Okay, this is a confirmation that 3,870 might not be, of course, a bullish scenario. It might be a deeper correction continuation toward the downside. Okay, and especially from there. Especially from there. If we start to see weakness, well, that's not a good signal. Okay. S Bright, welcome, buddy. Hi, could you do please Rolls Royce? Okay. We can do Rolls Royce. Rolls Royce. And which is, I'm gonna write it like that, just that when someone of course find it again, just to know what it is. RR Prophet Pulse, hello buddy, nice to see you. And Shianzu, hi. Let's see bats. Okay, that it regarding the gold, guys. I'm still looking for higher sooner or later, because anyway we analyzed the gold very deeply on the all-time history, and we're looking for higher anyway. But in case that we move for lower here and that we have topped, which I doubt it, we might proceed with the wave 4 here. Okay, wave 4, which is of course a reflection or alternation for wave 2 here, that it might be a little bit deep and then moving towards the upside. But I don't see yet a very strong signal. The strong signal would be, of course, by dropping down from there. If we move higher, okay, higher possibility will continue the trend upward. Good morning, Fabio. Hello. And Polyheat asking for HIMS. Okay, HIMS. And we'll see, of course, Tesla next, which is 20 minutes. Let's see Tesla what it did. So yes, finally Tesla hits our blue box finally today. And as expected, of course, I'm still expecting a little bit higher, 475. Let's see the reaction over there, because you might be in a zigzag here. Okay, be careful. You might be in a zigzag, A, B, and a C, and we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it might hit it and get a 4-5 again. Even a little bit extended can be for a wave 5. And especially that you need to take the high here as well. So we need to take the wave 3. This one is in a gray dashed, of course. All-time high, right? Here we go. And that because you are in an ending diagonal, right? You are in an ending diagonal in zigzags. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a wave 5. It needs to take the all-time high. Okay, so basically those are the possibilities as well for Tesla. I think even I can give a little bit here, provide a little bit much more information about the target wave 5 diagonal. Here we go. Okay, yeah. Oh, it is already given. Sorry, guys. It's already given. This is the one. This is the main blue box, yes. So in precision, therefore, $475. For Tesla, still very clear price action, no problems, and we still looking for higher. 22 minutes for Nvidia. Can we look at BTC profit pulse? Oh, well, BTC it's on the crypto channel, of course, and we already analyzed BTC today, as for every day. And next, of course, in 1 hour will come the intraday analysis on the crypto channel, of course. I don't mix crypto with stocks, of course. So what we were looking for, Nvidia. Okay, so for Nvidia, okay, nice target hit also, which is of course our blue box already passed, as we mentioned, and we're looking here for a 1-to-1 fib level. Wow. Okay, so that means that is a signal, guys. That is a signal that Nvidia is gonna move for higher. Very interesting. We are in 1-2, 1-2, wave 3 unfolding toward the upside. Okay. Why? Because, of course, potentially here, this wave 5 is longer now than the wave 3. You're not allowed to hit the 1-to-1 fib level. And therefore, yes, very likely that you are in a 1-2, and this is a wave 1, A, B, and a C, wave 2, and then you're looking for wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Very likely, guys, to have something like this here. Okay. Targets for this potential scenario as a first wave 3, I think already hit almost, yes. 1.618 taken even, okay? 1.618 taken with confluence as well with the 1-to-1 fib level, meaning, okay, yeah, definitely it is a wave 3, guys, okay? It is a wave 3, so let's mark this a 1, 2 here, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. We're gonna dive inside the wave 3 a little bit, micro level, to see as well what's going on. So inside the wave 3 on the 1 hour chart, we are looking here at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. The wave 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 again, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 unfinished. Unfinished wave 3 is still looking for higher, okay? You're still looking for higher here as a potential 1, 2 here, 3, 4, and a 5. Wave 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Interesting. So yeah, the next target, I would say 195 can be very likely here for Nvidia. And this is, of course, your major wave 5 here, that it's finishing over there. And with it might finish, of course, a wave 1. But currently, we're looking simply for higher. 1, 2, 1, 2, wave 3, 4, 5. The signal has been given today. Cool. This is exactly what we would like to see as signals every day. So Apple, for Apple, we are looking also to our scenario unfolding perfectly. It has been a while we didn't analyze Apple, but here we go. The targets are still very clearly moving towards our blue box here. We have a 1 2 1 2 wave 3 wave 3. Let me check here. I think since there we didn't analyze. Okay, that is an expanding diagonal here. Okay, yeah, very rare case, expanding diagonal, 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Yes, so that's true. It is true. The count is perfect, and we're looking here at another 1 2 3. Wave 4 probably finished. 1 2 3 4 and a 5 for wave 3. Wave 4, yes, can be finished. Can be finished triangle here. This triangle. I'm gonna zoom in. So if we move to our chart, here we go. You have very likely A, B, C, D, and an E finished wave 4. You move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or it can be W, X, and a Y. Okay, but this is your wave 5 still unfolding for this one. 3, wave C probably. Or, of course, impulsive, meaning one more wave 4 is expected because you have a huge or large wave 2 here, which it can be, of course, W, X, and a wave Y. And then, of course, you might see a very long sideways as well. Wave 4 or a little bit like a flat and then moving towards the upside. Okay, so this is the possibilities for Apple. Still looking for higher. Blue box requested 266, potentially wave 5, $290. Yep. Welcome, Illusion Trades. How are you doing, buddy? Nice to see you here. I'm doing great as well. Thank you, everyone. So let's start for your special request. So 27 minutes for MT, which is what it's called. Arvelar Metal. Arcelor, I think. Arcelor. Metal. Okay. But why MT? Okay. Here we go. It hasn't. What the M has to do with this one? Maybe the metal. All right. Okay. So we never saw this before. All right. Let me check. Okay. So we have an impulse upward, definitely. But 1 second. Okay, it is an impulse. Yes. So 1, 2, and then 3 ABC expanding flat. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay. Very deep correction after it. Impulsive. Wow. Okay. Now, question mark. Why it is very impulsive? Now, obviously, this is an impulse wave 1, wave 2. 1, 2. Expanding 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. That is a problem here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. No, it can be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. Wave 3 finished perfectly. And then ABC for wave 4. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 again. Yes, it is a perfect impulse. So we gotta be careful. Now, it is followed, of course, by a rejection, but now this rejection, is it an A, B, and a C? This is a question. Yes, and your wave C needs, of course, okay, so also you got A, B, C, D, E. Okay, it took the low. All right, no, invalidated. Because if that was a triangle here, Definitely this is a wave B. There is no question mark because wave 2 is not allowed to be a triangle, meaning it is an ABC. But I see that the wave E took the low here, so it can be very likely a WX and a wave Y. And then moving 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So you still have a little bit of hope, of course, here to be impulsive in a wave 1, 2. But be careful from it. Yeah, I don't really like this impulse downward. Okay. So what to do is, of course, having some key level and having a zigzag 1-to-1 fib level. What you need to watch is, of course, this area. Now we potentially come to this area definitely, as of course to there, but you need to break this. If you break it decisively, 112, that means, of course, you are in a 1-2, okay? But before this, you cannot really make sure that you are in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? Because that is an impulse downward, shifting the direction of the market towards the downside, meaning A, B, and a C. Yeah, so be careful, or 1, 2 even. Yeah. So A, B, in case, of course, it is an WXNY, I'm going to explain. So if it is a WXNY, well, very hard, but yeah, this is your W, this is your X, this is your Y. Somehow not really accurate for WXNY. Much more accurate, of course, for the impulse here. Okay, and that's why it is doubtful, okay, to be bullish. And be careful, of course, from an A, B, and a C, right? So A, B, and a C. This is your uh, yeah, your risk scenario, risky scenario here. Okay. Let's watch the 112K. Currently, you should move for higher in both case scenario. Yeah, if you are 1-2, you need 3 ways up. If you break it, okay, you continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In both case scenario, bullish, you move up; bearish, you move up, and this is your signal. All right. For ISRG, we are 32 minutes. Intuitive surgical, okay. And still having new stocks here. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Potentially you're topping there. Not yet, but yeah, very close. So what you have here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 extended. Your wave 5 is 1, 2 here. You have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5 unfinished. Yeah. So 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, which is unfinished. And here you have also the 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, the gray. Also, we have one final 1, 2, which is 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, blue, and that means the brackets. Oh, 3, 4, and a 5. Here we go, unfinished. Okay, so this is what do we have here: 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. This wave 5 internally, we are looking also at double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Okay, so here we go. So I'm gonna put this in a folder, like a daily folder. And here we're gonna start 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, even not finished. Crazy. But I'm not gonna put this here. Okay, we can. So let's do it like this. So here we have also 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay. So here we go. This is your white. This is your small gray. 3, 4, 5. Okay. So basically, inside it, we are looking here at a wave 4. I think the wave 4 should be ended very soon. Wave 4 as an impulse. Yeah, it's a very deep one. It's a very deep one already. You passed the 0.38 even. Okay. So probably still can, of course, the 396 for 0.5 Fib level and then moving for higher. Okay, so target in case you move for higher here, and it's okay. I'm gonna put the invalidation as well. Wave 5/1, you're expecting this area. Now invalidation, of course, by taking this zone. So if we take the 0.5, that is not good. So invalidation of bullish. Okay, so yeah, be careful from this one. But I believe it's gonna move up. Yeah, because yeah, it can be an ABC. Almost you finish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe you're gonna simply take the low and start the rebound. Preferably to not take this this wave 1. Let me check on the daily. Oh, okay. It is a little bit lower, the invalidation. You have an ABC expanding flat. So it is below the 0.5. Below the 0.5. So yeah, much better. Much better. Okay. Because on the daily, you have here a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 extended. Your wave 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished already there. And you have an A, 3 ways up, B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending diagonal or W, X, and a Y. This is your correction here. Therefore, your top as a wave 1 is there. Wave 2, and then, of course, continuation. So that's better, of course, meaning $390 is the invalidation. Okay. All right. So this is for our charts somehow. Okay. And yep, that's it for this one. For CRWV, and we are at 37. CRW, okay, we saw this several times, I think. Okay, so we have our wave 2. Oh, we start to move even before hitting the 0.38. So it's a question mark here. What is going on? So very interesting. Or it can be an extension wave 4, therefore. Let's move inside it. That means what it might be happening here, that this is a continuation for this wave 1. Yeah, you're not in a wave 2 yet. The impulse is not finished. It is an extension. You have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. Well, can be. Yes. Can be several 1, 2s here. Yeah, very small several 1, 2s, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Somehow like this. Now, 3, yeah, interfering. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as well. Leading diagonal 1, 2, 3. Okay, if we see a very massive move, this might be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, even very extended, meaning can be even 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, meaning this is all an impulse wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wave 3 still longer than wave 1, extended wave 5. Can the wave 5 be somehow ending diagonal? Yes. Can be several 4/5s related to these several 1/2s? Yes. Meaning all possibilities are looking for higher. Now this is an extension, and it is of course somehow risky to have really very good target for an extension. But what I can do here, in case that we are in a 1-2 and another 1-2, if you want to walk with it as step by step, let's watch, of course, a wave 3 there. Let's see the reaction over there. Okay. If this happens, it might be that you are in a 1-2, 1-2, or even bigger 1-2, and then 3, 4, 5. But this is the safest. So we take it step by step. Yeah. If we break it, okay, we might shift to a bigger 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay. This is how it works. All right. So let's watch this target, and we'll see the reaction from there. SMCI at 40 minutes. Okay. All right, SMCI. So 1 2 1 2 3 4 and a 5, 3 4 and a 5. No invalidation. That's good. Okay, it took even deeper correction here. And then we start to see, of course, a very impulsive wave as a 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Obviously not finished. You have 1 2 wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 unfolding as 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Targets can be here, I would say. Let me zoom in. So we have here 1 2, yeah, A B C. Okay, your wave 1 is over there. 1 2 3 4 5, A B and a C. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 4 5. All right, so this is what we're looking for. Definitely you are looking here for, I would say, this target. And let's take even, it's hard to take, it's very extended. Okay, this is a very, very strong extension. I believe that this might even turn into a bigger 1 2, guys. 1 2 and then 3 4 5 4 5. Yep, this is much better because you passed the you passed the 1.618 for a wave 5. That means, of course, yeah, it is already extended. So the things are 1 2 3 4 and a 5, definitely. Mini white here, and then 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Okay, this is your wave 1 over there. Here we go. And that means, of course, we're looking potentially here for the 2.618 or even past. Wow. Crazy. Okay, so guys, it's infinity, almost infinity. I mean, you have to count the waves here. You have 1 2 1 2 1 2. You have a wave 3. Your wave 3 did not reach any wave 4 5 4 5 4 5 yet. Okay. How can we do this? Let me think. Okay, yes, we can. We have a potential way. Here we go. Yep, wave 5 over 1. But this is only the first wave 5, yeah? This is only the first wave 5 target. And that means you have 1 2 1 2. This is your 1 2 3 4 and a 5 potentially here, okay? But I believe simply continuation for higher. This is very bullish, okay? And that because, of course, of the deep correction. You got a very deep correction here, so it is exploding. All right, so in 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Yep, Shailesh KG, good morning. How you doing, buddy? Illusion trades, could you please take a look at UPS? We are coming down into 5 years low. Okay, we're gonna see that. Paul asking, looks like 5 ways down on SMCI, which we saw already before. You mean this one? Okay, 5 ways down. You mean here 1 2 3 4 and a 5? Yeah. I think it can be, yes, but I think it's too late. I mean, it's too late to. It's a very long range, and we see momentum. Yeah, you see higher highs, you see higher lows as well. Yeah, higher lows, higher highs, and also a very clear signal, and also an impulse here or leading diagonal, and yeah. So this has transformed potentially ABC as remarked. Yeah, it's not 5 ways down. You mean the last correction as well? 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Wave 5 is horrible. Okay, wave 5 is horrible, expanding diagonal, which is very, very rare case scenario. Much likely to be, of course, here a zigzag, okay, or something very corrective, meaning a W. you have an X and a wave Y. Okay, so this can be your X. And that because, again, the reaction, and you see, of course, impulsive wave. Okay, so plus, of course, the momentum on the daily. Therefore, no, very likely to move for higher, definitely. Yep. So this is the thing. Eugene, morning, buddy. On CSMCI, can one not estimate targets on the large one too? That bottomed 8 September, maybe 8 September. Large one too. Yes. No, it's already passed. Yeah, I already did it. So you already passed even. If you mean like the 1.618, well, it's not accurate. When you become in several 1-2s, the taking the fib levels from there is not accurate. Why? Because as you see, when you have the 1.618 here, let's say wave 3, of course it's this if you are in several 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, and you have still several 1-2s, meaning 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So you have 4 and a 5 for this 1-2, and then 4 and a 5 for this 1-2. Therefore, this becomes not accurate. Yep. 31 July. Also, the same explanation. The same explanation. It's not very accurate, but you can. I mean, it's gonna just give you a target somewhere here. But I mean, many things can happen before you reach this area. Okay, so you don't know what's gonna happen. So you cannot really take this one into really consideration. Yeah. But you can just put like, okay, very very macro level, but yeah, I prefer always to do step by step because the market changed, guys. Nobody knows. Maybe 1 week later we're gonna have a World War III. So yeah, that's why. I mean, it's an example. Hopefully not, guys. It's just an example. Yeah, like what it might happen. So Um, yeah, this looks very bullish. Yes, very promising. Let's see the silver. Here we go. Silver XAG USD. All right. So the silver is exploding still and extending as well. So he even, okay, yeah, he ignored a wave 4, is simply extending, knowing that we finished 5 waves, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, but still extending, meaning creation of 3 waves corrective and greed in the market again for more. And that means when it starts to extend, of course, you have to consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your wave 3 right now. Potentially, this might become like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the wave 5, well, even not finished yet. Horrible. Let's see. Yes, yes. It's still looking for higher even. Yeah, this, okay. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, it's a double 1, 2 potentially. 1, 2. 1, 2 in leading diagonal, or ABC, of course, but here we go. This is your answer. Taking the high, meaning you are in double 1, 2 right now. And that is a huge extension here. Let me take a look from outside. Yeah, it's going parabolic. Maybe it might curve. Crazy. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay. Wave 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Crazy. Okay, yeah, simply is gonna be wave 5 of 5 in double 1, 2 internally, meaning a little bit higher, and then of course it start to move down. Now, of course, on the 4-hour chart, it's much more clear. Yeah, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Well, yeah, that's crazy, but it can be, guys. Okay, it can be. 2.618 hit, and we're still looking for higher. I mean, this was my target, and we're still looking for higher, right? Probabilities. Even, okay. This can be your next target. Let me check. Wave 5 over 1. Oh my god, even overpassed. When you see the 1.618, which is the highest level for wave 5 taken from the zone 1 based on the wave 3, overpassed, start to be decisively overpassed, okay. You gotta shift to 1212. Wave 3 is unfolding still. Very parabolic. Okay, so this is what it might happen. So we passed the 2.618 taken from the 123. We passed the 1.618 taken from the 1 based on the wave 3. And we're still looking for higher on the micro level. And that means we're shifting here for wave 3. Crazy. And that means wave 3 meaning double 1, 2 here. Wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Or simply, it's gonna, yeah, I cannot say simply, no. It's gonna be wave 3. Because an extended wave 3 here is already looking extended and still looking for higher. Oof, that's crazy. Yeah, so I'm gonna call it double 1, 2, guys. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for a decisive break. I want to see 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Then I call, of course, a wave 3 toward the upside. But the things are very bullish, I would say. Very, very bullish. Despite that, you are looking anyway here for a huge, on the daily, you are looking for a huge 1, 2. Another 1, 2 in the orange here. And another 1, 2 in the yellow. And that's why I'm not surprised if this is going to expand. Here we go. I mean, this is our counting there. Yes, so I'm expecting this for the silver. Well, I would say very nice opportunity for the silver here. I don't know why I'm not trading this, but maybe I should start. Maybe I should start. Yeah, very huge. Let me check also the all-time history. Yeah. Yeah, even in the all-time history. Yeah. Even in the all-time history, I don't know if it is visible for you guys. I hope that it is, because they are just dots. But this can be a wave 1, 2, and you have a wave 3 here, and then this is wave 4, and potentially wave 5. Can be one, even can be a 1, 2, and then wave 3, wave 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yes. Because I see sideways here. 1, 2, and then 3, wave 4, wave 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Meaning an impulse wave 1. If this is an impulse wave 1, this can easily play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that means can be 1, 2, 1, 2, and you're looking for wave 3. Yep. The silver might reach the $100, guys. Easily. Is it, again, is it the drums of the war, guys? That's crazy. What's going on with the gold and the silver? That's so huge. Just want to take a look again. Yeah, that's crazy. It's not gonna stop, guys. Look, if you take a look right now without any labels, without anything, you will see that the gold now has started the move. Guys, this, you never saw it before in the whole move up. Now gold is starting to be bullish. That's crazy. I don't know what's going on, guys, really. No red at all. No red. Well, you got a move here, but you have some red. Yeah, you have some correction. Here is very, very moving massively, right? plus no 0.23 fib level, no fib time also taken for the 1 2 here, 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Yeah, I hope that this is, I mean, it's good for trading, but guys, the things are not really nice, honestly. And what we hear also for the Middle East preparation, this might be the thing, okay? This might be the thing. So we gotta be careful. A few days later, we might hear something exploding in the Middle East, um, which is Iran, right? War. We're gonna see. What I heard, of course, that many fuel tankers are moving to the Middle East for the U.S. military. This is exactly what happened before the hit of Iran nuclear facilities, and yeah, but this time it looks much more larger. Hopefully not, guys, but I don't know. I mean, the tension, global tension, will affect the markets very massively, honestly. So we gotta be careful. All right, let's see AMD. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wave 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Ending diagonal still unfolding for AMD very nicely. And this is your impulse wave A, very likely. Finished 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yes. You got your correction, and you might have a wave B and a C toward the upside. Of course, for a wave 3 here. Yeah. In a diagonal. So you are in a 1, 2 for this diagonal, wave 3, and wave 4 can be diagonal still, and wave 5. Now, what we have here is a very shallow correction, which is only the 0.23, as you can see here. Here we go. Only 0.23, which it might be a wave B here. Only wave B get 0.23, which is a zigzag, of course, a wave 3, 4, and a 5. In confluence for targets here, we can see, of course, in case we are in a diagonal wave 3, we're looking for this blue box, which is, of course, taking the all-time high simply, right? 228, 262. All right, so that's it for AMD, very clear. Oracle, let's see, Oracle 57 minute 30. Oracle. Okay, very bullish on the weekly. Let's see the daily. Okay, so what we were looking at here for Oracle, wow. Okay, it has started, okay, without the 0.38. Nice. One thing to clarify, wave B, no, overpassed. Okay. Daily, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. What the hell? Okay, that's a weird one. Okay, I need to remove everything. Take a look. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we don't have any other option. Okay, it's an extension wave 5. It is an extension wave 5. We don't have any other option. Okay. What is weird in it, why I'm very surprised with it, because of course we finished 5 ways up, very clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, extended wave 5. But why now we get another wave 5? It looks like this took it, of course, as a wave 3 here, and then made an extension wave 5. Okay, so yeah, I mean the markets sometimes decide to extend the things, and that's why you took only the 0.23, but very tricky because it was looking very impulsive. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and I was expecting A, B, and a C. So what the hell happened? I don't know exactly. Okay, so wave 1 and wave 5 there. Okay, so wave 3 given there, wave 4 over there. Yep, this is how it's gonna be. This is still, of course, an ending diagonal. Plus, you finished an ending diagonal. What the hell? I mean, when you finish an ending diagonal, normally, okay, you drop down, but ending diagonal for wave 3, I don't know. Is it a project? Is it something that happened here? I don't know, in Oracle. Tell me, guys, if you have any idea. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 there. This is how it has transformed. Okay. Meaning wave 5 can be finished. Well, I'm afraid to say yes, because I'm still looking here at a potential even correction, and this gap is a huge signal for bullish. Yeah, you still corrective, even 1 2 1 2 3, wave 4, wave 5, 4, and a 5. It's gonna even extend for more. What's going on in Oracle? Someone tell me, guys. What's going on in this one? Is it a project? Is it AI thing? um I think so, right? I mean, Oracle is software development, right? I think so, yeah. Here we go. We might have here a no. I mean, yeah. I mean, internally, you want to have the count internally, not from outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Targets still can be, of course, reaching this area. $378 common target. But why? Something very, very fundamental here is happening, definitely, in Oracle. And very, very strong, psychologically very strong. I don't know what is it. If you have any idea, please drop it in the chat box. Okay. So let's see the next one. We have INOD. INOD. Innodata. Okay. We never did this. Hydration. Sorry, I'm gonna mute. All right. So for the weekly here, okay. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, that is a normal impulse. 1, 2, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, maybe. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Then 4 invalidation. So no, I'm gonna take it 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I'm gonna take it 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 ways, 3, 4, and a 5. Yes, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, everything is fine. And then we have ABC very clear. Very clear 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So this is an impulse. Okay, ABC very clear, very long ABC, or W, X, wave Y. No, it's an ABC. So 3 ways down, 3 ways up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. ABC, very long. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we have, yes, so this is your main wave 3 unfolding right now. 1, 2, this is your main wave 3. And we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as well there. Meaning you are in a big wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 brackets. Here we go. All right. This is what it might be. Now, be careful, of course, from the zigzag, but let me check. I think we already passed it. Yes. We have already passed the 1-to-1 fib level, meaning higher possibility, $70, meaning higher possibility is wave 3 and not ABC. A, B, and a C should be finished over there, and structurally it doesn't work anyway, so I'm gonna remove it. Targets for the next target that you might expect, at least here, this one too. Let me check the 1.618. Okay, so here we go. We're very close to the 1.618 in a wave 5. Even wave 5 might be extended, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm expecting even higher. Therefore, I'm expecting the 470. Yeah, let's take the 2.618 because anyway, you have 1, 2, and then wave 3, 4, and a 5 here. But yeah, I'm expecting for higher, definitely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, let's watch those targets, but let's move inside it a little bit just to see. Okay, it's a leading diagonal, wave 1, 2. Okay, let's see in precision here. You're looking also to this. Yeah, here we go. $112 in precision inside this blue box. Oracle made a deal with OpenAI. Okay, yep. I knew it is something related to AI. Yep. Definitely that it. Thank you, S. Bright. Thank you very much, man. Yep. So fundamentally, yeah, very clear. Very clear that that was the thing. Okay. Nice. So let's see the next one, ETCG, which is at 1 hour 6 minutes. Okay, we passed the 1 hour. Don't forget, guys, to press the like button, share the live stream, and of course, support the channel. And of course, to be able to continue every day with you with this live stream, daily live stream. Thank you very much for your support, guys. So we are in ETCG, which is Grayscale Ethereum. Okay, is it an ETF? Yes. Grayscale, yeah, itself. For Ethereum, that's a horrible one. That's a horrible one. WXY triangle. Yep. So W, X, and a Y. Your wave Y is a triangle. Here we go. You are in an A, B, C, D, and you're looking for the wave E. In a wave Y. Which is, yeah, of course, you don't want to trade this because it's horrible, right? But you might, after correction, you might see something for higher. What is that something? Is it 3 waves? Is it 5 waves? Nobody knows. Okay. So uncertainty for this one. 1 hour 08 for a Rolls Royce. Okay, RR Rolls Royce. Okay, here we go. NASDAQ, Red Rock, Rolls Royce. There is no one for. Okay, it should be RRU. Okay. Okay, there is. Okay, we're gonna take this one to see. But is it the all-time history? I don't think so. I mean, this is 22 RRU. Yeah, this is an all-time history, I think. Yes. Okay, a little bit older, 28, 2008, sorry. Tradegate, no. Okay. RR on London Stock Exchange, RR on London Stock Exchange on LSE. This one, you mean? This one? Red Rock? It's not Rolls Royce then. Because this is, when I put RR, I find triple R's. That is, but you mean this one? This one, RR. Yes, sorry. I'm blind. Sorry, man. Thank you for your help. Here we go. Okay, ABC. Okay, interesting. So obvious zigzag, right? Very clear zigzag. Yes, ABC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's a very clear. Okay, A, B, and a C. But question mark. That is a question mark. Okay, what's going on? So if we are in a regular flat here, as we see, of course, wave C regular flat, you already passed it. Okay, and you passed it with a very impulsive structure, which is not finished yet, and that means, of course, you're still looking for higher here, and very impulsively. Very interesting. Wow, I didn't know Rolls Royce is so exploding like this. But yeah, I mean, you passed even the 1.618 and the 1-to-1 fib level as well. So next target is 2.618, definitely. Wave 3. It is extending here. Yeah. Now, how it is extending, we're going to move, yeah, maybe even daily. Let's see. Since when this started? Oh, 2022. Not so far. That's weird. I mean, Rolls Royce, I know it's a very fancy and luxurious brand, but I didn't know it is booming like this. All right. So, okay. That's a very weird start even. What is weird in this is your wave 3 is shorter than wave 1, shorter than wave 5. Incredible. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, yes, this is a thing, but even wave 2 is sideways. That's also horrible. Okay, yeah, at least 0.23 taken. Okay, so this is might be the thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 extended. Wave 2 very shallow, sideways, and then you start again, of course, 1, 2, 3 here. So I'm gonna mark your main 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Jeez, not finished. Okay. Um. All right. So if that is a thing, but here that is something as a 1, 2. So yeah, I'm gonna take it there. Wave 5, because I'm gonna consider this as 1, 2 here again. But very, very bullish. Well, what the hell? It's very bullish, honestly, guys. 3, 4, and a 5. So the retracement is very, very shallow even. Yeah. So the retracement here is very shallow for a wave 4. Now reflecting a wave 2 over there, which is already very shallow as well. I mean, I would like to see even deeper one, but obviously this is a 1, 2 again, and then 3, 4, and a 5. And when it comes like this, very parabolic and very straight ahead toward the upside, simply just watch the target, the high targets, guys. So because you cannot really here figure it out if it's gonna stop or not. I mean, look at the history. So basically, I would say simply 2.618 is gonna be taken. Yep, is gonna be taken. And especially that you are looking here at a very clear 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Plus, you might still have 4 and a 5, which is the orange one. Very huge, honestly. ABC is not working there. And I believe that Rolls-Royce found psychology again here. Did someone bought it? I don't know. She has like alliances with other brands or something. I don't know what is it. But yeah, very bullish. Bats at 1 hour 15. British American Tobacco. Okay. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 5. 3, 4, and no. It can be there. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yes. So this is your main brackets, orange, and we have of course here a wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. Very simple. So you start again, of course, here an impulse upward. You're looking here for 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So it's a double 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And you have another 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And this is a white. Okay, so targets for this potential next wave 5 is the following. Here we go. 5,800. Wow. Okay. Yes, we are already at 3,800. So yes, can be. But the things are, yeah, exploding. I mean, it was before even. Yeah, it was at this price even higher. It was, yeah, almost. It's an all-time high, by the way. It's an all-time high. So basically, you might finish here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 continuation for a major wave 3. Yeah. So this might be only 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. Yep. So a lot of smokers. So yeah, the things definitely is gonna move higher. The same as for the cancers situation. So hymns. Here we go. New York. All right. Hymns 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with 3, 4, and a 5. And then we have 1, 2, 3. Wave 4 still, of course, not invalidated. By the way, we were very close for invalidation, but not taken. Even not closer. Actually, we were looking even for lower, but we start to see, of course, higher prices. So, guys, this one I'm still looking for the same. But internally, if you're asking for this, what's going on? Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. If 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, well, that is very low possibility, okay? So be careful from the W, X, and a wave Y. Plus followed by an impulse, so we might move down. Meaning, in a bigger picture, yeah, our blue box here might still be taken. So you gotta be careful. Can be an A, B, and a C still be unfolding here as a potential diagonal. And that's why I did not remove this, because it is very likely still to come back. Wave C, wave 4. Okay, so very, very possible. And if you see continuation for lower internally, because as I mentioned, this is very horrible as bullish, okay? Much more likely it is double zigzags, and you have 1, 2 here because it is an impulse. So if we see lower prices, yeah, that might be the thing. Okay, so trade safe with hymns. All right, guys, so that was it for today live stream. Thank you all for being here. Don't forget to support us with a like. And of course, I wish you to have a nice day and trade safe always. See you in the next one. Bye bye.